Good day, grade 11s. My name is Patience Ngobeni, and I will be taking you through today's lesson called Stress, Change, and Crisis Management. Now, in this lesson, we will be looking at the practice as well as the application questions. Let's start then with our practice question. The first question says, explain the importance of stress management in the workplace. Now remember that when the question is asking you to explain, you must elaborate further on what you are saying. Now, it says there that stressed employees are more likely to miss work because they cannot cope or because of serious health problems. So it is very important for a business to manage stress because if employees are sick, they are unable to come to the workplace or they will not be as productive as they are supposed to be. Workers who suffer from stress often make poor decisions and errors, and this could lead to unforeseen emergencies. Now, imagine a situation where I am probably stressed and I am dealing with a stove in the kitchen. If I am stressed, there are high chances that I might forget to switch off the stove properly or the gas properly. Now, this will cause major changes because now it means the workplace might burn down. So I am probably behaving like this because of the high tension or mental strain that I am going through as a result of stress. Stressed employees may also lead to poor service and unhappy customers. So obviously, if employees are not happy in the workplace, customers are also going to be unhappy because they are not going to get the service that they require. Now let's look at the second question. It says there, read the scenario and answer the following questions. The questions are, you must identify the two causes of stress from the scenario above. Now, let's go through it together. It says, Khanyi is a new employee at Soris Butchery. She was tasked with delivering meat to 10 different locations within an hour. Her colleagues steal and hide her food during lunch breaks. Now remember to say that when the question says identify from the scenario, it means that we need to quote and take the statement as it appears from the scenario. Now, when you look at the first statement, it's simply giving you an idea of what is happening. Therefore, it does not add to what we are looking for. So when you read the second one, she was tasked with delivering meat to 10 different locations within an hour. Now you can see that this might be a cause of stress. Therefore, we are going to take the statement as it is, and when we identify, we can see that this is a result of heavy workload. This is because it is really impossible to be delivering these meat or delivering meat to 10 different locations within an hour. The second statement then says, her colleagues steal and hide her food during lunch breaks. Now this is definitely a cause of stress. So we are going to then say it's as a result of bullying or harassment, and we take the statement as it appears from the scenario. Let's then look at the third question. It says, discuss the ways in which Khanyi can manage the stress in the workplace. So if we are managing stress, it means how is it that we deal with the stress? It says we must avoid conflict situations with co-workers. Now remember that conflict is as a result of disagreements between two or more parties. So for me to be at a place where I am not stressed, I need to then avoid having these disagreements with my colleagues. It is very important to take regular breaks so that you can relax as well as recharge. So you might notice when you are at school, When you go for a break, as you come back for the next lesson, you are more revived and ready to tackle the lesson. You must also follow a balanced lifestyle by eating healthy as well as exercising and participating in activities that promote relaxation. So it means then that after work, you need to have something that is going to make your mind to relax. Now, this might be reading a book or going to the gym or watching your favorite movie. You must also be able to apply good time management skills, which means that if I know that I have an exam in the next 2 weeks, I need to structure my timetable in a way that is not going to make me feel stressed when I am supposed to study. Now, I know that this is a lot to take in. Therefore, we are going to go to a short ad break and we will continue when we come back.